Hey there, this is April Jensen coming to show you the latest sculpt box that we have available. So let's get right into it. We have a nice Christmas festive kind of holiday theme going in all our boxes. With these holiday boxes, what you've got inside is some clay needed for your project, some handmade eyes. My daughter makes these and she does an amazing job. You've got the parts that you need to be able to make your head armature and a special reinforced body armature that I'll show you how to make inside as well. We've got some beautiful Tibetan lamb fur, some special fluff to go inside the doll. You'll even get some buckles and belt buckles. They might vary slightly from what you see here in your kit, but you'll get matching buckles in whichever kit it is. And a piece for your belt, some of the cotton batting, a little bit of a stretchy nylon for making a cute little tummy, and then his costume elements back here with the fabrics and such, as well as your DVD. So this box is loaded. It's gonna be so cute. And now let me show you what you will turn this into. Dun dun dun. Didn't he turn out so cute? I am just absolutely adoring this guy. I love that sweet little face. I'm so glad I got it all recorded down on how I sculpted that, because he has such a cute little innocent look about him. I glossed those eyes. This is the fairy size of handmade eyes that we create, and it works perfect on a doll this size too. Anyway, here's how he looks. It's a cute little body. Looks like I've got a little bit of fluff on him. It's got some sweet little boots that we've sculpted, and I'll show you how to paint and antique them as well. Some sweet hands with full detail. So it's a super fun sculpt box. Hope that you will enjoy it. We also have a special pattern for his clothing too, so you'll be able to have that and make your outfit just like this guy. Now, some other things that you'll probably want to have on hand for when you do any of our sculpt boxes are some triple thick glaze or some Flecto-Verathane glaze for glossing the lips and eyes and such. I usually use Fabri-Tac glue for the hair. I always like to have liquid Sculpey on hand, especially if there's any breakage or anything, any repair work, or we use it for a lot of things actually. You also want to have hemostats. These are really handy when sculpting hands. Johnson 3-in-1 tool, and just your various brushes and sculpting tools. All these are available at makingfairies.com, especially in artdolls.com too. So anyway, that's what we've got. Oh, we also typically use these Genesis paints to be part of how we do the blushing. So I sell a little Genesis paint palette that you can get at makingfairies.com too. So anyway, that is our cute little adorable sculpt box. Hope you have fun making it. One last thing is that you will probably find in your packages during the holiday season a little handmade luxury soap sample. And these are the soaps that I make handcrafted for Christmas time and holiday giving. It comes in a nice big bar like this. They're usually about 6 ounces or so. They're just beautiful. I make it because I really enjoy this kind of soap, and it's great for gift giving. And that's what I've been doing for years, just during the Christmas time, is make these soaps and give them as gifts and offer them also, so you can give them as gifts to your people too. I hope you enjoy your holidays, especially this Thanksgiving weekend. Have a great week and get some sculpting in.